I love you.
Maybe he'll have a help with it.
What is it, Mace?
Oh my gosh, it's Darth Vader. That is so cool.
Where's my present?
Just relax, okay? Oh look, there's a present right there for you.
Yeah, Brooklyn, you get to open
Silly
one too.
Oh my goodness, that is big.
I didn't know that was for Brooklyn.
So I was like, we can't let Mason open one, not Brooklyn.
Scissors?
Yeah,
For the ribbon?
they're in the kitchen.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Turn it around so we can see it.
Yeah. Oh my god, that is so cool.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Dog!
Oh man.
Who wants a haircut?
Oh man.
I got it.
Who wants a haircut?
Mace, push that little green button.
Mace, what do you say to Auntie Caitlin?
I love you, Auntie Caitlin. You're the best.
Mommy, here's my present.
Right in front
Right
of
in
you,
front of you with the
honey.
big red bow.
Are you gonna open it or no?
Hey, Mason, look at me.
What
Oh
did
my
he
goodness,
say?
Mason, that's nearly as tall as you.
Oh my god, I totally
You're
want that.
welcome.